Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're at Joe Nall 2025. Celebrating 25 years here at the Triple Tree location. Folks, we've got an absolute special treat to you. Absolute special treat right there. You know him, you love him. It's Jace the Ace. Dussia! He's on the right on that plane on the left there. That is the Otter version 1.5 from Flex Innovations. And ladies and gentlemen, you know who's flying that. I'm going to tell you right now, he's over here to the right. There he is in the distance there. That is the Latin lover of RC, the Godfather of 3D. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Kik Smanzini. Folks, we've seen Jace fly, so we're going to focus largely on Quique. He's going to be flying the Otter right there, fully 3D capable. They'll be flying together though, so we'll be bouncing back and forth. But folks, you're going to see why Quique Somenzini redefined aerobatics. And you're going to see why when Jace the Ace Dussia flies, everybody stops. So sit back, relax, strap in tight, and enjoy the flight. So Quique is demonstrating the slow flight characteristics of the aircraft. It's a great airplane, very lightweight. Very rare do you see twins that are that 3D capable.
Look at that. Got the motors with the vector thrust.
Folks, at some point we may need to drop the audio out. I do apologize. They are playing music over the loudspeaker, and YouTube has very strict copyright laws regarding that. So I do apologize if that happens, but we'll stay with it for as long as we can.
Just normal, another day at the office. Jace the Ace Dussia, multiple time champion for freestyle, absolutely incredible freestyle pilot, one of the best in the world, if not the best. Jace is a good friend of mine. He always puts on a nice show for us. Quique puts that spin on her in a nice little hover, and here comes Jace. Jace not out of there, we don't know how to do a hover. And it could not be more different. We have a full aerobatic grease plate, and we have a twin-engine foam Otter doing the exact same thing. So make sure you applying this new G2 Edge just came out not too long ago, available for Flex Innovations. Oh yeah, and you guys, I'm going to talk about something that's a little bit close to you. You guys just came out with something new called Instafly. Can you tell us a little bit about that? Just your airplane you're seeing fly now, available as well.
Very good. Folks, we're going to bounce back to Jace. Even though you've seen him fly, can you really see him fly enough?
It's amazing, right? Because I was thinking that it's not just a one and done, and I'm going to get you an airplane and you want to what we've always done from the beginning. Just an incredible display of competitive. I mean, sometimes I can't even comprehend what's going on. Snapple into a nice little roller. I mean, just the creativity that Jace has, and just the seamlessness between all three an absolute legend. Really cementing his place in RC history as one of the best pilots that had to do it. It's very important. It's safe to say Jace, he's paved the way for a lot of the flight styles today. So innovative, unbelievably consistent as he comes across the runway. Wow. End-to-end slow roll. Tomorrow, we're going to do a slow roll contest. I forgot to do it today. But whether you're flying a fully aerobatic plane or you're flying a teacup, we are doing a slow roll contest tomorrow. showing us the aggressive nature of that aircraft. They're going to teach you edge from the biggest thing is that he's been with all the companies for so long. You know, the last time we obviously had a good one, but all we really understand this pilot Livingston. So us 3D pilots, we call up the slack. We're pretty uncreative when it comes to names of 3D pilots. So we're coming out of high tech, and then we just got the elevator, and just like a slide
And folks, this is Jace's design. This is his edge. One we saw in the video on the channel, just a different color. And you can see, very lightweight, but very strong. Wonderful aircraft. All right, there he is, folks. All right, friends, more to come. Phenomenal.